Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Today we're going to be touring 1329 South High Street. The original structure of this home on over 1 acre was built in 1840. Now, it's the combination of old and new, so there's a wonderful new section to the house that is a modern space with the beautiful charm of the old. Let's take a look. Access off the main foyer could be possibly a music room or a formal dining room, and it flows gracefully into the great room. This home combines the best of both. It has compartmentalized space for studies and bedrooms, but great big open entertaining space for this great room with fireplace, plus there's a loft that would be great as entertaining or hobby space. If you're a fan of cooking or if you're a fan of entertaining, you're going to be happy either way in this beautifully, completely updated kitchen with new cabinetry, new appliances, and continued hardwood flooring in here. It's absolutely a beautiful space. The area off the kitchen could be considered a family room or a possible dining room. Plus, there's side access to the master bedroom suite that's up above the garage. Every inch of space is maximized in this home. Great built-in bookcases on the way to the secondary bedrooms. Impressive ceiling heights exist here in the older section of the home that dates back to 1840. I hope you enjoyed the spaces and the high caliber finishes of this lovely home. Feel free to call me, Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker or jeffsells.com, and ask for a private tour, area code 812-360-5333.